Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to walk you through what the expectations are for this upcoming week. So as you are working on your Brit Lit stuff in your homeroom, or if you're working on this stuff at home, this is what I'd like you to do. So when you log into Schoology and you go to our Brit Lit course, I want to remind you that you should start here with the lesson plan document. When you open up the lesson plan document, it's going to give you expectations for the first 4 weeks of school or the entire month of September. So just a note for you, make sure that you're looking at the correct week. So you should be on the second slide, which would show you week 2, which is the September 14th through the 18th. So now a couple of things. For this Monday, you need to complete the pre-assessments that I told you about last week. So that means that you should complete the pre-assessment on Common Lit. You should submit your writing diagnostic, which is your journal entry about your summer. And these things will be due on Wednesday. So if you have not finished them yet, be sure you do so very soon. For the remainder of this week, as you can see, I have posted the unit number, the unit title, and the lesson number that you should complete as well. So for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to be working in Unit 2, which is our Critical Lenses unit. On Friday, I'd like you to work on Unit 1, which is our Independent Reading, and you're going to be completing Lesson 1 for me. Keep in mind, just as a tip to navigate this lesson plan document, if you can't remember the title of the unit, just keep in mind that you can look for this icon, because this icon will be found for each folder as well. So I would like to back out of this lesson plan document, and I want to show you our Unit 2 folder just so you kind of get the rundown of how each folder will be set up for you. So again, I'm looking for my Critical Lenses unit. Again, there's that icon that I showed you on the lesson plan document. When I open up that folder, it's going to give me additional folders, and each lesson will be in its own folder. If you'd like to see the material listed in each folder, you have two methods. You could use the drop-down menu, or I would suggest opening up the folder, because then you can actually view the slides and videos that are posted there. So when I open up Lesson 1, first I will provide an overview, and the overview will give you tasks. So as you can see, for Lesson 1, I have a lot that I want you to do, but you're going to separate these tasks into 2 days. So on Tuesday, I'd like you to watch Critical Lenses, the lecture video, and view the lecture slides. Then I want you to watch the Sneetches video. And finally, I want you to complete the Reader's Response and Formalist Lenses handout, also found in this folder. Then on day 2, or on Wednesday, I'd like you to continue this lesson by looking at the Giving Tree video. I want you to read this article. You'll complete the Reader's Response and Formalist Lenses handout for the Giving Tree. And then there's also an online seminar I want you to complete as well. Just a reminder for you, it might be a good idea to look at the online seminar requirements that I posted in our British Literature information folder. That way you know what the expectations are, and you'll also get to see how I'm going to assess your online discussion. After looking at the overview, you can see that I provided our Critical Lenses notes, which will give you a video to watch, or you can just look at the slides. I would strongly suggest watching the video because I'll explain things that you won't get to hear just looking at the slides. Here's the video I'd like you to watch, the handout I'd like you to complete, and then as you can see, I've also provided day 2 material. So I'd like you to watch the Giving Tree video. Here's the article I'd like you to read, your Reader's Response and Formalist Lenses handout, and this is where you'll also find your online seminar. So again, everything that you'll need for Lesson 1 is in the Lesson 1 folder. Likewise, when you are finished with Lesson 1, you can find everything that you'll need for Lesson 2. Again, there's the overview, the lecture notes, the video and slides, an article I'd like you to read, and the associated assignment that goes with this lesson. So again, if you're not really sure what you should be working on, be sure to visit that lesson plan document and then find the correct folder, and everything you'll need for that lesson will be in the folder. If you have any questions about anything that you need to be working on this week, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye everyone.